How much did I get for those Beatles records? What surprising things did I find in the toy section of a local Goodwill? Can you really make money selling gummy bears? Stick around and find out. Hello everyone, I'm Dave. This is Quarter Flips. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And then also go check out the video I posted just before this. I'm giving away a thermal label printer. I'm giving away this Discord box set. That's all happening on May 4th. So get in on that. But if you're already in on that, or you don't care, which is completely fine, welcome. Today I'm going to talk about 3 different things. I'm going to talk about, can you make money selling gummy bears? Some things I got at Goodwill that I was kind of surprised to find, and recent sales, including those Beatles vinyl records that I had showed a couple videos back. So let's start with the gummy bears. These are the gummy bears in question. Haribo 100th Anniversary Edition Pineapple Gold Bears. Limited edition pineapple flavored gold bears. This 4-ounce package I found in Dollar Tree, my local dollar store. So not a buck, they've raised their prices to $1.25. But if you could find these cheaper, it would work even better with what I'm going to say. These are limited edition, and they have a best before date of 1/2023, so January 2023. They have piles of these at the dollar store. And I thought, hey, you know, these are weird. I wonder if people are trying to sell these on eBay. So I scanned them and looked them up, and yeah, there were like 180 listings. So I thought, well, do they sell? And I checked that, and there were like 180 sold. And people were selling stacks of them, 10. There were numerous instances where I saw where people had sold 10 packs for 40 bucks. So I think you know where I'm going with this. For the next year, all the way through January of 2023, these things are a selling opportunity. They're not huge. They're a small selling opportunity. But if you've got a dollar store near you, or any place that sells Haribo that's selling these things out cheap or on sale, it might be worth grabbing a few packs. I grabbed 4 packs. So I figured I'd give it a try with that and see if they sold. Try to get triple the money on it. And for the life of me, I can't see any problem, potentially, with me having candy around in stock to sell and send to people. Because it seems like you make money off that, it's cheap. I can run right back down to the store and get more if I need more. Wow. Could be a good deal. Okay, so enough about that. What surprising things did I find at the local Goodwill? So it wasn't my closest Goodwill, but I had to drop off something to a friend's house, and there was a Goodwill by his house that I don't often get to, so I thought I better go check them out. Found a War and Peace opera DVD in their DVD section. It was the only thing worth buying, and it's a decent buy at $3, so I grabbed that. And then I'm rooting through the toys, and I'm over in the stuffed animals, and I'm not finding anything, and there's a bunch of annoying kids around, and I think I'm just gonna leave. There's nothing here, and my hand catches something that feels weird. I pull it out, and it's this. That's right. It's the face hugger from Alien and Aliens and all the other subsequent movies with Alien in the title. This is made by Think Geek, and it has awesome posable hands. I remember this kid called these witches' hands when I was a little kid when this movie was out, and I was not able to see it, but everyone was talking about it. The face hugger. This was 99 cents. And finding this made me feel like, I'm glad I came here, because to be honest, I do not care what this sells for, because I'm probably going to keep it. I might sell it. They had a chest burster also. I think they came in a set, little chest burster alien, that comes out at breakfast or dinner or whatever that was they were eating, smoking back in the day. And then this one, they came together. I tore that place apart looking for that chest burster, but they did not have it. They just had this. They sold it to me for 99 cents. So I think, I don't know, that might be a place where that could live. We'll have to see in the video what that looks like afterwards. We'll curl his tail up around the sword here and see what we think. Okay, while I was looking for that and going through the whole toy section looking for the chest burster, I found these. It's a little box of miniatures, and I'm quite surprised to find something like this at Goodwill, but it does happen every once in a while. And I thought, well, I don't even know this company, Infinity Corvus Belly. I've never heard of this. I know quite a bit about miniatures, but I hadn't seen these. $12.99 is what they want for this. Japanese Sectional Army. Now, These are quite cool looking miniatures. And I thought, well, you know, people really like these. I don't know. They're probably not going to be worth too much. So I scanned it and boom, one for sale for 99 bucks, one recent sale for $79.99 plus shipping, I think. And that's it. I thought, well, okay, but that could just be a one-off thing. Maybe there's not enough people looking for them. But I looked up other miniatures by this company for this game, and they consistently sell for a lot of money. They consistently sell for over 50 bucks for a pack. So I opened it up and took a look. Everything's brand new on the inside. Everything is they're metal miniatures. They have all their parts, all their bases. It's complete. So I was very happy to pay $12.99 for that. And yeah, I am probably going to put it up for, I don't know, I'll probably put it up for $79.99 and see what happens. If anything good does happen, that sale will be in a future video. And moving on to recent sales. These sales all happened in the last 2 days, basically, including those Beatles records that I sold, which I'll show here at the end. I'll do the Discogs stuff at the end. On eBay, I sold a couple of things. I'm looking over here because they're over here. That probably translates okay. So the sealed Charlie Chaplin Modern Times Centennial Collection VHS for $9.99, shipping included. I sold these three, I guess they're CD-ROMs. They are Eye Candy 5 textures, textures, nature, and impact, seamless texture generators for brick, wood, stone, reptile skin, and more. I think they're Photoshop plugins, basically. But I found these last year when I was doing thrift stores and garage sales with my mom and dad, and I paid $3 a piece for them. They sold together for $39.99, shipping included. Moving on to Discogs, I sold some CDs. This is the Escapist Records Sampler. It sold for $1.99 plus shipping. Wellwater Conspiracy, The Scroll and Its Combinations. That one was $3.99 plus shipping. And this thing called In the Tradition, In Situ. I don't know exactly what the story with this. It's Alan Silva, Johannes Bauer, and Roger Turner. But this sold for $10.99 plus shipping. I also sold together a Left With Nothing, Good Things Come to Those Who Wait CD, and a Left With Nothing, Wishing in Reverse record release version of the 7-inch. This is blue vinyl with a blue foil printed title on the front. These went for $4.99 and $7.99 shipped together. And I sold this Spoon Girls Can Tell LP for $39.99. Really nice condition on this one. It sat for a little while, but 40 bucks plus shipping, not bad. And then, of course, the Beatles records that I promised. This is the All My Lovin' 7-inch, and this is the Magical Mystery Tour Double LP. These are European release versions of these, pretty rare. I had shown them in the video about vinyl that I made a couple videos back. Friend got in touch and said, if that Magical Mystery Tour is the one with the, the first press with the blue lyric sheet pages in the middle, I'm interested in it. Blue lyric sheet pages in the middle. And this thing is in pristine condition and the vinyl is beautiful. And he wanted this one too, so we went back and forth and we settled on a price of $100 for the 2 records shipped. I didn't have to list it on Discogs, didn't have to deal with any of that stuff. So these are going out to Chris. Chris, thank you so much for doing this. And yeah, I appreciate that you watched the video and saw these records and jumped on it before somebody else did. Thank you very much, my friend. So that's it. Kind of a short one today. Oh, I ripped off the part that tells how many calories per serving. It says the bag has 4 servings, so 1 ounce is a serving of these. But I'm not going to stop at an ounce. Please like and subscribe. If you got a dollar store near you that has these, I don't know, you might want to grab some and put them up for sale. Maybe if you have a lock-in cupboard or something and someone who'll hide the key from you, if you're me, you'll be able to sell them before you eat them all. See you next time.